Ready to install brake. It is very much easy to fix on motor. 6 Newton meter to 600 Newton meter brakes are readily available. Advantages. No need to make motor modification. Easily convert standard motor into brake motor. It is totally attachable and detachable parts. Easy to brake maintenance and replacement. Standard motor is not stopping immediately. Let us see how to install. Remove the fan cover and remove the cooling fan. Remove the end shield bolts. Put a shaft key. Now just fix the brake assembly. Let us check how it works. It's working perfectly. Brake motor is ready. For more information, contact